Fashion Craze. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how to use a sheet mask. There are a lot of questions out in everybody's mind that how to use a sheet mask, how to get a refreshing skin in minutes. So there are some sheet masks in the market from which we can get instant glow, instant refreshing skin or lots more. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So guys, first you have to wash your face really nicely, and then I'm having some pimples, so I've decided to use a sheet mask and I'm going to tell you how to use it. So I'm using the aloe vera sheet mask. Aloe vera is a multitasker. It's used for really many things. Now I'm going to cut the packet. Aloe vera is really good for skin and it's used for hydration and moisturizing and lots more things. So as it is written on the top of the packet, I'm using the sheet mask of Face Shop. They are really good. So you have to take out the sheet mask out of the packet. Do it really carefully because it's really delicate. Open that sheet mask really carefully. After opening the sheet mask, you have to place it all over your face according to the patterns. It's really funny. Just make sure that it's placed perfectly on your face. Just adjust it the way it is. I'm spreading this liquid which is there on the face mask. I'm spreading it with the mask. So after that, you have to do is there's a liquid left in the packet. As you can see, there's some liquid is left in the packet. So you have to do is take the liquid in your hand, all the liquid, because you have paid for it, so you don't have to waste anything. So take all the liquid in your hand and rub it all over your hand and spread it all over your face. Just spread it evenly and then massage it for 5 minutes on the mask, because the main thing is the liquid. So it has to be spread it all over your mask and massage it really well. After massaging, wait for 15 to 20 minutes. I have used the aloe vera sheet mask. Aloe vera is used for most of the things. It's used for moisturizing your skin. It's used for hydrating your skin. Aloe vera is used for acne. It is used for inflammation, which is there, which happens in summers to cool down your skin, your eyes. Most of the things. Aloe vera is used for many things. So it is really good, and these sheet masks are really good. They are so nice and they are so pure and organic. They are really good. I love this Face Shop or sheet mask. I would suggest you that you should also use these sheet masks, and they are really good. You must be thinking that what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the subscriber button. Please hit that subscribe button, please. It will come over there in a while. So मेरा भूत वाला फेस अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दो, प्लीज़ 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 guys, and do like this video, do share this video with your friends and family, and comment down below your suggestions and your queries and what videos you would like to see in future, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next one. Till then, keep smiling. Subscriber का button on. Bye guys.